my first new product demo for 2025, and it's a beauty. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel, basically things that make you more fabulous at any age. Well, welcome to 2025. Today I'm doing my very first product demo for the year. This is the Icy Nude palette from Huda Beauty, and it is a doozy. So anyway, let me show you exactly what I did. Well, for my first product test of 2025, here it is, the Icy Nude palette from Huda Beauty. I actually ordered this at the end of 2024 when I had like a last chance at 20% off at Sephora. And here it is. I heard so many people rave about this palette, I decided I had to give it a shot. So look at the colors. They have a very much of a cool vibe, and they range in shades from sort of pinky peaches to a couple of golds, browns, neutrals, whites, silvers. Really a lot you could do with this. And I think, you know, it's a good palette to bring up for winter, the Icy Beauty, Icy Nude. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to just start by going over the base of my eyelid with Cold Plunge. And that's just this soft, light nude. I'm actually going to extend this up under the brow line. And that just sort of puts down a little bit of a base. So now I'm going with the liner. There are a lot of beautiful liner colors with this. This is Faux Fur, She Rich, Unapologetic. A lot of these, I'm going to go with She Rich, which is sort of the darker brown. Just going right along the upper lash line and slightly extend out and up. Okay, now I think I'm going to take a slightly lighter color for the under eye lining, and I'm going to go with Unapologetic. And now I've lined my eyes. Okay, now I just kind of want to accentuate the corners and sort of define the crease. So with that, I am going to go in with Highlight, which is just sort of a cool beige with a little bit of a pinky tone. And let's take that and just making kind of like a little V in the corner. Sweeping motions up into the crease. Again on this side, like a little V. And then sweeping motions into the crease. And now, look at all of these beautiful shimmers. Which one am I going to go with? I think, just to sort of keep this sort of soft pinky nude, I'm going to go with Aurora. There we are, the Icy Nude palette. I used basically 5 colors in this. I used Cold Plunge, She Rich, on the lower lash line, Unapologetic, High Life to accentuate the corners, and Aurora to add shimmer. There are a lot more ways to go. I think I'm going to have fun maybe trying a silver look one day, but that's today's look. Okay, now I set with powder, added a little bit of mascara, a little lip gloss, And this is the completed look for today. I used some other Huda products as well. I used the Huda Blur Foundation, Huda Concealer, a Huda Brow product, and some Huda products on my cheeks as well. I'm going to put a list below of everything that I used, and I hope you enjoyed this. So anyway, that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day and a fabulous year. Peace, love, and light.